Wow, let me tell you something, guys. That was awesome. Let's keep pushing the limits of this truck and see what happens. This is actually the first time me running this truck fully, because I've ran it before and the bodies come off and never really had a chance to test this truck. Now we're testing it. Let me go ahead and move up out of the way and let's get this thing started. Well, that's not good. You hang up on the rear deck, guys. Get myself out of it. Of course I can. Look at that. Wow. Now that's a crawler, guys. I think we have ourselves a winner here. What do you guys think? This thing is a Amazon LCG crawler chassis, SCX10 base. I'm running a cap or a portal axles. I'm running a hobbywing fusion in it, 1800 kV. I've got front traction shocks on the front with Losi mini T springs. And the rear, I'm running 0 springs, Traxxas, carbon fiber wheels, and I'm running some cheap comp tire, pin tires from Amazon as well. The links are going to be in the description, guys. If you guys like this truck and you guys want to build something similar to it, you guys be able to see it. Man, let's just keep on crawling, guys. I'm having too much fun. That's why I'm so impressed with this truck. Nice. Alright guys, thanks for checking out my channel. If you guys like what you see, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget the thumbs up so I know you know when I upload new videos. Man, this has been an awesome adventure. I want to thank each and every one of you guys for sticking around. Alright guys, we're going to catch you on the next episode. Have a good one, everybody.